Sa akin, may comment in this, although may requiring siya, wala namang wala naman siyang penalty. So, ang necessary. Unless may iba may comment.
Yeah, yeah, correct. Sige.
So, na lang, kumain mo na ba?
Dito din tigil.
Ganun.
Sige na.
Okay, mga kawan, considering that the resolution number, I move to the resolution number 027, the 0-2025 of Barangay Baisa, we pass and review.
Yan.
There's a motion for the approval of resolution number 027-0725. Then seconded, resolution number 027 of Barangay Baisa is now passed. Next, resolution number 031/2025, Barangay Resolution undertaking a barangay-wide campaign against online sexual abuse and exploitation of children through the conduct of an educational seminar in support of the Anti-OSA Ordinance 3241/2023 and Republic Act 11930. Any comments?
At least the other members have comment ako rin siya. I hope that we recommend for approval the resolution number 031 of Barangay Baisa.
There's a motion for the approval of resolution number 031.
Second.
Duly seconded, resolution number 031/2025 of Barangay Baisa is now passed into law. Next, resolution number 032/2025, Barangay Resolution supporting the Quezon City God Code number SK2501, series of 2016 on the amended ordinance number SK1401/2004, entitled an ordinance providing for a city gender and development code and for other purposes, to harmonize with the provision of RA 9710 known as Magna Carta of Women, and to adopt the UN Women's Safe Cities and Safe Public Spaces Initiative. Any comments?
1 minute pesos. Ang dami. Okay, ito pala example ito. Ito yung format na sinasabi ko. Yung resolution na ito, tingnan mo yung title niya, hindi siya nag-guard doon sa dispositive portion. Ito yung mga ganun na mga instances. Na, sige, dapat, ano yung nakalagay sa title, dapat yung din ang nakalagay sa dispositive portion. Yan yung mga forms, mga formatting. Okay? Yung for assumption, Madam Chair, you can assume unless mayroon pang mga correction or suggestion and move that we approve. Recommend for approval resolution number 032 ng Barangay Baisa.
Second.
There's a motion to approve resolution number 032/2025. Duly seconded. Resolution number 032 of Barangay Baisa is now passed. Next, resolution number 103/2025, Barangay Resolution requiring all homeowners association to appoint and designate a focal person that will address to the needs of the association in case of emergency or in the occurrence of a disaster or calamity. Any comments?
Unless the other members have other solicitation or comment, the chair I move that we approve or recommend for approval resolution number 103.
There's a motion for the approval of resolution number 103. Duly seconded. Resolution number 103, series of 2025 of Barangay Baisa is now passed. Next, there's Resolution number 115, series of 2025, Barangay Resolution declaring the month of May as Disaster Risk Reduction Preparedness Month within the jurisdiction of Barangay Baisa, District 6, Quezon City, and comments from the library.
Yeah. From the episodes, Madam Chair, kapamal yung mga instances na tuwing ganito declare, you are now making it permanent, declaring the month of May as Disaster Risk Reduction Preparedness Month. So, it cannot be in a form or resolution. So, yun yung mga instances pa rin na dapat ikaw convert ito into an ordinance. What can you say, Majo? Di ba? So, nakasuspend na ba tayo, di ba? Naka-recess, di ba?
Yes.
Okay. Meeting resume, Madam Chair.
Meeting resumed.
So we did I move that we conduct the clarificatory questions to the members of this Sangguniang Barangay as regards to resolution number 115.
There is a motion to include resolution number 115 to the agenda of next meeting. Duly seconded, resolution number 115 series of 2025 of Barangay Baisa shall be included in the agenda of the next meeting and the barangay concerned be invited. Next, resolution number 116 series of 2025. Barangay resolution requiring all sons of parents residing or already settled in Barangay Baisa to register in the barangay for the purpose of their identity and be included in programs of the barangay as well as from the local and national government institutions. Any comment from the library?
One minute kasi, Madam Chair.
Recess.
Paano kayo itong ganito na hindi daw nila bibigyan pag hindi na-identify, hindi sa programa ng barangay, lalo na yung mga ayuda ng local national government institution, pag yung bawang hindi nagparehistro,